What's good, everyone? BTC the Villain back with another video. What I have for you guys today is a box set of the 2020 NBA champion Los Angeles Lakers trading cards. Come with 30 cards, one team logo card, one head coach card, 18 player cards, 6 highlight cards, one finals MVP card, 2 celebration cards, and 1 team image. I got these pretty early. I was actually supposed to get these next month, but thanks to Amazon, they came in a bit early, so let's get right into it. Alright, let's unbox these bad boys. Okay, so it just comes in a little baggie like this. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, it just comes a little package like this. There's nothing else in the box. I'm going to just throw the box away. Alright, so let's take these bad boys out of the pack. Alright, so first up, get the Los Angeles Lakers. It's just the logo. Okay. First up, Kostas Antetokounmpo, Avery Bradley, Devontae Cacok, Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, Alex Caruso, Quinn Cook, Anthony Davis, Jared Dudley, Danny Green, Talen Horton-Tucker, Dwight Howard, LeBron James, Kyle Kuzma, JaVale McGee, Markieff Morris, Rajon Rondo, J.R. Smith, Dion Waiters, and head coach Frank Vogel. And now we're going to get into some of the moments from the NBA Finals. This card, Game 1, Anthony Davis scored 34 to lead us to the win. Rajon Rondo had a double-double off the bench. LeBron James had a near triple-double and took the 2-0 lead. Anthony Davis knocks down a 3 in Game 3. In Game 4, my bad. This one, LeBron's hyped up in Game 4. LeBron has a triple-double in Game 6 to clutch the finals victory. And then we got LeBron and AD hugging it out after the game. We got Danny Green, Markieff Morris, LeBron, and Kuzma. It's LeBron, finals MVP. The team photo. Look at all the guys. NBA Finals winners, 2020. Now I'm going to go through all the cards again just to recap. Here we are at the end. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.